Want to start using the Shop app to keep track of your online purchases, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Shop app. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download the Shop app, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Shop at the top. Tap Shop when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Shop. That's all it takes to download the Shop app. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.